wait before you skip this, because I'm about to share something that's been buzzing in the medical community lately, the gelatin trick. Doctors are talking about it, and for good reason. It's not a fancy diet or a new supplement, but a simple daily ritual that's showing promise in supporting overall wellness. I've been digging into the gelatin trick, and what I've found is really interesting. Researchers say that incorporating gelatin into your daily routine can have a profound impact on your digestive health, which in turn can affect your energy levels and even your mood. My friend, who's a healthcare professional, swears by the gelatin trick and has seen firsthand the benefits it can bring. She's been recommending it to her patients, and the feedback has been amazing. The gelatin trick is all about using a natural ingredient to nourish your body, and it's something that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. If you're curious to learn more about the gelatin trick and how it can work for you, check out the link in the description below to get started. And for a deeper dive into the science behind the gelatin trick, take a look at the pinned comment where I've shared some additional resources.